Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. SOUN stock here, right at the bottom of this wedge. Right at the bottom. I talked about this one several times in one of my videos yesterday. The one where I went over the watch list of stocks to keep an eye on. And I let everyone know, even today in the Discord, I'm like, hey, SOUN is a buy here at the bottom of the wedge. If anyone wants to jump in, I alerted that at alerted, quote unquote, at 9:21 a.m. So if you jumped in at 9:21 a.m., which we can look at the time literally. Let's see, where's 9:21 a.m.? Oops, I can't find it. Where is it? There we go. So you would have bought here at, let's say, at the top of this candle at 13.84. So you're up almost 40 cents. And so you buy in, and if you're smart, you set a stop. So in case it does reverse, you're fine. But either way, if it's going to follow that daily pattern, then it makes sense to buy at the bottom of that wedge, ride it back up, and take your profit around $4.50 to $15. That's the play. It's rare that I play chart patterns, but it's there and it's obvious, so might as well take advantage of it and scoop some shares and flip them for a nice 50 cents to $1. Obviously, if you're not in the Discord and you're watching this, you're probably like, well, now I'm going to be getting in 40 cents to 60 cents later or more, depending on when the video comes out. That's the advantage, of course, of being in the Discord, is I tell you exactly like, hey, this down here is cheap. It always bounces off of this for the third or fourth touch, so might as well get in. And yeah, I would say again, take profit at $14.50 to $15. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. It is a wedge, and it can break to either side. Make your money scalping it, when it goes up and down within this range. I know someone who trades channels, and this individual, who I will not name, they would always take a loss because they would buy like at the end of the wedge and it would just break down. And I'm like, bro, really? If it's at the end of the wedge, why buy it? Don't buy it. Just let it play out. They were taking unnecessary losses. Like they don't know how to like step away from the markets. And they're at the poker table, they don't know when to walk away from it. They like stay there and they just lose money. And like, what? You make money all these other times buying at the bottom of that pattern, and then you lose a good portion of it the one time it drops. So they're learning, I'm sure. They're learning their little channel trading or whatever. Or maybe not. Maybe they blew up. Who knows? I banned that person from my Discord for other reasons, threats and all that. Either way, this is a good long-term hold. I still believe in that price target of 100. Long-term. Short-term, just play this pattern. And if you're holding long, just accumulate it, right? Just keep accumulating on dips. That's it. Short, sweet, to the point. I think, there's no... They're going to report fourth quarter earnings, full financial results on 27th. So that's coming up in 2 weeks. That'll be fun. Let me look at earnings. This earnings was kind of meh. You can see it gap down, didn't really go anywhere. This earnings didn't really... Yeah, you'll notice earnings isn't really a mover for this stock. Like, it'll move up a little bit, but not really... It's not a significant event. So, just wanted to let you know it's not a significant event. It's not. So, earnings, I wouldn't expect a big move. I'd be shocked if they get a big move. But, as I just showed you, on earnings, they don't really get any kind of volatile move either way. So, there you go, guys. I'll see you in the next one.